Hey everyone, it's Marcus with the Best Buy blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the BenQ X3100i gaming projector, available now at Best Buy. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the projector's setup, connectivity, picture and audio quality, its gaming performance, and of course, sharing my final thoughts. Inside the box of the BenQ X3100i, you'll find a few accessories. First, you'll find BenQ's QSO2 media streaming stick, which is licensed with Google's Android TV. In addition to that, you'll find a smart remote with voice command support. There's also 3 adjustable feet that can be used for various mounting positions. Setting up the X3100i is easy and straightforward. BenQ provides step-by-step instructions, and when you're powered on, you'll be guided through the picture settings, the installation of the QSO2 media streaming stick, and setup of Android TV. After the initial setup, you can do more fine-tuning adjustments. The BenQ X3100i has a unique feature that allows you to shift the lens vertically by 40 to 60%, making it easier for you to place the projector in any location in your room. Moving on to connectivity. The X3100i offers a number of connectivity options, including 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB Type-A port, 1 3.5mm audio jack, 1 RS-232 input, and 1 optical audio output port. Having HDMI inputs means that you can connect virtually any device to the X3100 as long as that device supports video out. This includes PCs to consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, as well as the Nintendo Switch. The X3100 also supports Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. Now let's talk about the star of the show here, the X3100i's picture quality. With 4K resolution, 100% DCI-P color coverage, and impressive brightness as well as contrast ratio, the X3100i delivers clear, crisp, and vivid images. The projector is strongest in dark rooms, like all projectors are, but with the X3100i, it is bright enough that you can still use this during the daytime with indirect sunlight in the room. Not only does the X3100i have excellent visuals, it also packs a punch in the audio department as well. The X3100i comes with dual 5-watt speakers enabled with BenQ's spatial audio and cinematic sound technology. This provides an immersive audio experience while watching movies and playing games. According to Sony's website, you can actually get 6 to 8 hours of continuous use before needing to charge the earphones. On average, I'd get about 4 to 5 hours of use. The X3100i also comes preloaded with a number of audio profiles such as cinema, first-person shooter, and music. These profiles change the speaker settings in order to improve your gaming and media experience. If you prefer external speakers, the projector has you covered here with both digital, optical, and 3.5mm audio jack options. Now for what all you've been waiting for here, the BenQ X3100i's gaming performance. As a gaming projector, the BenQ X3100i really shines when it's playing games. This projector has multiple gaming and sound profiles, low latency, and great color reproduction. It has a unique feature that automatically adjusts picture settings based on the games that you're playing. The 3100i's low latency means that at 4K resolution, the projector can output 60 Hz, at 2K resolutions, 120 Hz, and at 1080p settings, you can get an output of 240 Hz. This ensures that you'll always have a smooth experience no matter what resolution you're playing at. Now, if you're looking for more picture profiles, you can use BenQ's Settings Exchange app. When you download this app, you'll find a number of downloadable picture profiles that are made by both BenQ as well as other X3100i owners. To do this, all you'll need to do is download the profiles and connect your X3100i to your Windows PC via the USB cable. When it comes to media, the X3100i does come with licensed Android TV. This dongle allows you to access multiple streaming platforms including Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Disney+. The included smart remote supports voice commands, making it easy for you to navigate as well as find your favorite TV shows and movies. Alright, time for my final thoughts. The BenQ X3100i is a fantastic gaming projector and media device. I love its 4K resolution, vibrant colors, built-in speakers, and customizable profiles. Combined, all of these make the X3100i a fantastic choice for gamers. If you're in the market for a gaming display, I highly suggest checking out the BenQ X3100i, which is available now at Best Buy. If you'd like to know more about the BenQ X3100i, you can check out the link in the description below. If you'd like to know what else I'm up to, you can follow me on Instagram and X at BenQ X31, or on Facebook and here on YouTube at BenQ X3. Thanks again everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.